everybody, it's Shalice Johnson, the founder and head designer of Kristell Interiors. Today is our Designer Tip Tuesday, and this week we'll be discussing technology in interiors. So like how to make your life easier, just different technology that you might not be aware about that could help give you a more aesthetically pleasing space in your interior. And then the most important thing that no one in this world can live without nowadays is power and power access. So I'm going to show you some new technologies or furniture developments that have power integrated that can help you easily access power within your space. So let's begin.
Okay guys, so this technology I cannot live without now that I have it. It's my automatic trash can. It opens and closes by itself. It just operates off of a battery. They range from as high as $60 for the one I have to as low as $26. But it's so funny because you actually do not realize how much you need this trash can until you have it. When you're cooking and you just need to quickly throw something in the trash, it'll open for you. You don't have to worry about moving your foot over to step on a pedal or anything like that. But just don't look like a crazy person like me when you go to other people's houses or when you go to a public place and you wave your hand over the trash can and the trash can's like, girl, you need to open me. And the next technology that we have is Samsung's Frame TV. And this TV is a designer's dream. It is literally a replacement for that big old black box that you see that ruins your living room design. And they actually allow you to change the wood framing that goes around it. And then also, you see the white mat, you're able to change the color of the mat for your quote-unquote picture that you're displaying on the TV. Okay, so I know you guys are wondering, how much does this TV cost? And I will admit this TV is pricey for a 43-inch TV. It runs you just under $1,300. And it is a smart TV, obviously. It's 4K, and it has that capability to change the framing and just make it blend in with your home. So it's all about what you prioritize, I guess, if you're willing to pay for beauty.
Your video is being interrupted because I need you guys to subscribe and make sure you thumbs up this video. So do that now before you forget, because by the end of the video you're just going to be moving on to something else. So do it now and then let's continue. Thanks.
So next we're going to talk about power access, as I mentioned earlier. Here you will see that we have power built into our lamp that goes on our nightstand. So it's super easy when you're trying to charge your phone. You don't have to go digging behind your bed to find an outlet, and it's just more easily accessible. Also, nowadays, it is very common to find power built into your furniture design. So this nightstand that I have, on both sides, the left and the right of the back, you will see this USB port that you just simply screw into the back, and it helps you access power for your other devices like my watch, or if you have Apple EarPods, anything else that you need to charge, you can do so there. Next, we have HumanCentric Lighting, and this is typically an LED light bulb that's set on a timer. It dims as well as changes color temperature. So light bulbs, if you look on your light bulb, it has a CCT, and that's a correlated color temperature. And that temperature can be warmer in the daytime, or it might be cooler and more bluish in the nighttime. So you'll see this typically in high-end or newer office buildings, and it basically is just a smart bulb that you purchase, and then your electrician or lighting person will be able to set up the timer.
Wow, so did you guys know about all of those different technologies that exist in interior design? Yes, no, comment below so I know if I'm teaching you guys new things or if you guys are just seeing the same old stuff that you already know. Also, before we go, really quickly, I wanted to mention that Kristell Interiors is having a Christmas giveaway this year. Well, this is our first year and it's going to be annual. So I wanted to give back and give someone in need more so the opportunity to win a free desk. So here's the desk. And it's super cute, it's modern, I feel like it's gender neutral, so it can be for a boy or a girl. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, or subscribe to my Facebook, or subscribe to my Instagram page, and just the more things that you subscribe to, the more points you get. So in the end, whoever has the most points, whoever subscribes to the most things, and if you get friends to subscribe, also you get more points. So my complex is having a Deck the Decks contest for each floor. So first floors go against each other, second floors, third floors. And each floor will have a prize winner that gets $300 off their rent for January. So I will gladly be participating in this contest. I'm super excited. Our decks are huge. So you guys will see I'm gonna do a separate video for the Deck the Decks contest. But I might show some of my decorating in the Decorate With Me Christmas video for next week. So you guys will see. I'm super excited. And I'll see you guys next week. So bye.